as we have seen how to perform the regression analysis using the data analysis toolpath. Now let us see what is the R square, adjusted R square, and how it is calculated from the ANOVA table. ANOVA table represents the different components such as source of variation, degree of freedom, sum of square, mean sum of square, and F value. So first source of variations are regression sum of square or regression, errors, and the total. So total variation is partitioned into regression variation and the error variation. So for regression, degrees of freedom is P because the regression model contains P plus 1 regression coefficients. Okay, so in this case P plus 1 minus 1 is nothing but P. The total number of observation is N. So degrees of freedom is N minus 1 for total. And the error is calculated as total degrees of freedom minus regression degrees of freedom. So we get N minus P plus 1, or you can say N minus P minus 1. So we will see how to calculate the R square. So we can see that the values are present in the sum of square for regression, residual, and total. The R square is taken as, R square is calculated as sum of square due to regression divided by sum of square due to total. So these two components we have to use. So R square can be calculated as 995 divided by 1366. So this is how we can calculate the R square. So you can check the 4 digits. Similarly, also we can calculate in the different way. This is 1 minus sum of square for error divided by sum of square for total. We know that total sum of square is nothing but equal to regression sum of square plus error sum of square. So sum of square due to regression can be also written as sum of square due to total minus error. Okay, sum of square due to total minus error. So we get the regression sum of square. So same way we can calculate equal to 1 minus, now we are using this term 370 divided by 1366. Both are same. Okay. Now in this case we have used the sum of square. We have used sum of square, and we know that the adjusted sum of square is nothing but your 1 minus sum of square error divided by degrees of freedom, is degrees of freedom, divided by total sum of square again divided by its degrees of freedom n minus 1. So we can say as 1 minus, you can say as 1 minus MSE. So I will write 1 minus MSE divided by MS total. So this also we can use to calculate the adjusted R square, 1 minus MSE divided by 1 minus MSE divided by MST. So here we have only mean sum of square for regression and residual. We don't have for the total. So first we calculate. Now we have regression mean sum of square, residual mean sum of square, and the total mean sum of square. So we calculate 1 minus error mean sum of square divided by total mean sum of square. You can put bracket, or automatically it will consider. So it is 0.592649. So both are same. So this is how we can calculate the R square and adjusted R square. R square uses sum of square concept, whereas it consists mean sum of square. Adjusted R square use mean sum of square.